Hey guys, how are you all? I am Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So wedding season is there and we all of us are so excited to wear pretty clothes and pretty jewelry along with that. And definitely we all get so much of tension like which jewelry to wear along with which outfit and all. So for the same, today I have made one earring which we can easily wear for the mehndi function or the haldi function, and we can easily carry it on for the whole day because as it's so lightweight. So these are these pretty earrings and this is how they will be because it has already has this a chain which will enhance your look. It will look like this. So this looks so pretty and looks classy because of this design, and it's very easy to make. And I have used these three colors because to match me with my outfit because I had to make to attend my one function. And so you can change it as per your preference, whatever the client says, whatever you want to wear. And it's so lightweight to wear for the whole day. Even though it's looking so big, the diamond is looking so big, but it's very uh, lightweight. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make this earring at home. So it's loud. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started.
So first we'll take Laria to make the L'Oreal of the Kundan stud, and in that I'm gonna first add this zero size golden bead chain because we are gonna use the pearl. If you have seen, if we don't use this zero size golden bead, the pearl will fall away. So we'll add this and then we'll add this 5 mm pearl. You can also add the golden bead or any other colored bead which is 5 mm. And then I'm gonna add the L'Oreals. So I have taken these three colors L'Oreals. One is this pink, then pastel green, and this one is baby pink. So we'll add this quickly, and I have taken this to match with my outfit. So you can take any like whatever you want. Then I'll add this yellow colored, and then in the middle we are gonna attach this. So first I'll make this hook type shape so that this wire will easily get in this kundan, and we'll find the mid of this kundan and then we'll attach it here, and we just have to wrap the wire. So the colors I took is this pink, peach color and yellow color to match with my outfit, not the baby pink. So in the same way we have to attach two more to left and right, but in that we are not gonna add the right like this, and this is how our stud will be ready. So and yeah, so this is how it is. And now we are gonna add the back stud to this. For that I'll take this back stud and we are gonna add this with Vetra glue. It is readily available in any hardware store, and it sticks very quickly and it's very light. You can see it's handling it is so much pain, so you have to be very careful. So now we'll wait, keep it aside to get it dry, and till the time we'll make the chain. So we'll first decorate this small chain. For that I'm taking this 30 gauge wire, and in that we'll add this pink L'Oreals. We are gonna add all the three colors L'Oreals. So first I'm taking this pink, we'll add 3 pink and we'll make a knot of this wire, and we will attach this wire to this chain. So you can just wrap it with the help of wire for smooth wrapping, and then attach it to the wire. So you can make it in any other color, so do let me know in the comments below like which color you are gonna make. So we'll add it in one hole of this beads oxidized chain, and we'll make a wrap. So make sure that it has attached properly, and also it is hanging very nicely. It should not be stuck to the wire. And then with the help of this scissor I'm gonna cut this, And in the same way I'm gonna add other two colors, that is pink and green. So we'll quickly add those. You can see I have added these three colors, pink, green and yellow. And in the same way we have to make other two layers also. So I have made other two layers, which is medium and then the bigger one. So I had done mismatch of the colors and not taken the colors in the same line to just enhance it looks. And then we'll add one, we'll take a jump ring, and first we are gonna add this bigger chain in that, so that it will remain in the down line. And then we'll add this middle one, and in the end we are gonna add the last one. And we will attach this to our this kundan stud. So I'll quickly add it, and make sure to wrap it very tightly so that this jump ring won't come out, otherwise our whole game will get fail. And now with the help of this 3D connector we are gonna connect this chain so that it will stay in a proper you can say space. So first we'll add the smaller one with the help of jump ring, of course, and then with this, and in the same way I'm gonna add all the three. So I'll quickly add them. If you have any suggestions or ideas of jewelry making, do let me know in the comments below. So in this way I have attached all the three, and this is to the connector, and this is how they look. And tada, with this all these pretty earrings are ready. See how quick and easy they are, and they look very pretty. And we have to attach a attacher here. So for that again I'm taking the jump ring, and we're gonna add this lobster hook. But you can also take that normal earring hook to this if you don't have a lobster hook. This will be attached to the hairs. And make sure to attach this jump ring very nicely and very tightly. And yes, finally our earrings are ready. And that's how another earring. Tada! So do let me know in the comment below how do you like this tutorial of earrings, and also do let me know in which color you're gonna make this and on what occasion you're gonna use these earrings. I had worn these for the haldi function of my friend. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification. See you next time. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.